Recording 11.
Excuse me, how much is that coat?
It's 120 quid. Do you want to try it on?
Oh, yes, please.
Here you are.
Thanks.
It suits you. You look great.
Thank you.
That's 100% pure wool from one of the top designers in Paris.
Oh, right. It's very nice, but it's a little expensive.
No, it's not. It's a bargain. The normal price for that in the shops is 300 quid.
Oh, okay. But I think maybe it's too big for me.
It fits you perfectly. Don't worry. Look, you can have it for 100. That's a special offer, only for you.
£100. Okay, I take it. Can I pay by credit card?
Sorry, dear. Cash only.